Good morning, guys. We're out here at the Robert Bush headquarters. We're getting the E30 now ready to be sprayed in the interior as well as the bay. We're gonna weld the piece in the front there with the hoses and the rust, so it'll be clear there. The whole crew is here today. They see it. Josh, Mika,
The only thing we're gonna do is turn that
Shaim ba, I mean Murad ba, Murad ba. It's a wide here also. So the whole crew is here.
and then we're gonna put that.
So guys, I hope you guys are having a wonderful morning. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Hey, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. I did see that 90% of you guys are not subscribed. So please guys, subscribe. It's free. It's one click and it really helps the channel out. Please subscribe guys. The content that we're pushing out, so as long as we're working as well simultaneously, it's a lot of work guys. So to push out content, the subscriptions is really appreciated. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. We're gonna just do the final touches on the pie and then we'll start. The piece must go in there.
Give me some closing this holes wherever you need, and then tomorrow morning you just flat it. Then you go great primer and then you can spray. You can see how far you get it. That's why I say move. You need to move.
Yeah, guys.
If you can finish spray for today and then you can spray the one finish, if this one's done, you spray the other one finish.
You through it all, that's the crazy part, crazy part. I don't need no more empty promises, promise me that you got it. I don't need roses, just need some flowers from my garden. Can't you go back to how you loved on me when you started? Let your body decide if this is good enough for you. Already falling up for you, already falling up for you. I'll let your body decide if this is good enough for you. Already falling up for you, already falling up for you.
Break it out, Ido.
Yeah, bro. Shaim ba. Alright, yeah. Repeat that. I mean, I'm pushing out, sorry. Yeah, completing the shining here inside the pie. And then the inside is pretty much done, yeah. What is that, Peter?
Lekker sterk, man.
Yeah, bro. So I got a new stand, guys. The camera with the gimbal stand on this thing. So yeah, take your time lapse.
This is Gimbal, guys. What do you guys think? It's the same.
Alright, let's get to work.
Blues, fever, cold as ice till you came near. Like another fire-breathing creature. It don't burn how it appears. It's true, you could make me melt. Don't you forget it. If the person you fell forever do. For reasons, only because you ain't there. Feel it in the air, my cold sweat dripping everywhere. I'm always, I don't even care as long as you're laying in my bed. I forget whatever you said. I'm on it. I couldn't get less as long.
Alright, taking the back bumper off. The rest of the soundproofing inside the back of the boot. Ja, gewoon maar bekend.
Wait, just you tell it.
What?
Here.
And I decided to go out swinging. If you shoot, then you can get every single dollar and your last few cents that I will too. And I mean it. Tell me, where do we go from here?
Spanning is hectic now. Mijn bowling ook al en die lifeguard.
You know you slack me. Recording.
I'm not there. We have a lifeguard and senior guys. Yeah. What we doing here, Mika?
Trying to remove this bumper, but it's giving problems. This thing is giving problems.
Alright, so why was the chrome bumper? Thank you, Josh. I always like this bumper off look on the E30, eh?
As long as you're laying in my bed, I forget whatever you said. I'm on it. I couldn't get less as long.
Over E30 they said. Buy 6 loads for us for 6 crown min for lunch, no?
You can't see the half a man.
Yeah, I ever told.
He's at 5 man.
Alright, James, we're gonna eat and we'll continue.
Oh, it's a boy weer.
Try him! Yeah, guys. Ito spek is still around, eh? It's very dirty now. So, yeah. Hey guys, we're gonna move the corner. Oh my word. Yeah, let's continue, guys.
Oh, stand still when
Don't you forget, only because don't you forget, only
So yeah guys, basically today what we did is we removed the back bumper. Yo, it was a mission and a half to kill. I blame Josh for doing this. Look here, messing up everything. Here inside, we did some weight reduction here inside. We removed all the whatever that stuff is called that is there.
Soundproofing.
Yeah, soundproofing stuff. You see what Josh did to get the front, the back. Yeah guys, so if you're looking for a crown bumper, 318, you guys know. We just sanded the bike a bit today. Hopefully spray tomorrow. But so prep it for you.
Yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
I want you to breathe me. Let me be your